In today's session, let's cover two formulas. First one is SUMIFS, second one is absolute and relative references. So we have a database available in the GL sheet where we have GL account, period, and value. And we need the output in this particular format where I have the GL account available in rows and periods available in columns. So I want the value of the GL account for each period, like Jan, how much is the value, Feb, how much is the value, like that. So since I have multiple conditions, first one is the period and the second one is GL account, I have two conditions. I'm going with SUMIFS. If I have a single condition, I can use SUMIF as well. So is equal to SUMIFS, sum range, where is the value which needs to be added. Value is available in column C. So I'll select column C. Where is the criteria range? Criteria range is available in GL account column A. And what is the criteria based on which you are adding this particular data? I'm adding this particular data based on GL account available in column A2. So there's a difference between criteria range. Criteria range means you have to give the entire range where you need to look up. And criteria is the single cell what you want to look up. So next option is criteria range 2. Where is the second criteria range? It is available in column B. So I'm selecting column B. And criteria 2 will be my period, which is available in Jan 24, which is column B1. So I'm selecting B1. So I have two conditions. I'm closing the bracket over here. We don't have any data where we have GL account is 1, 2, 3, 4 and period as Jan 24. Now, if I want to repeat this formula for the next cell, if I just do Control D, will I get the correct answer? No, because the referencing where we're giving is relative. It will change. It will keep on change whenever you move from one cell to another cell. See, the column B is keep on coming down because you have selected B1 here, which is one cell above. If you go down, it will keep on changing. Even the GL account keep on changing and the header Jan 24 also keep on changing. So I don't want it like this. Then what to do? You have to go for absolute reference. So how you get absolute reference? If you click on, you select the column numbers wherever it's available. Column C, and then click on F4. In some cases, you might need to use function in F4 if your laptop is like that, or you can use just simply F4. So once you click on F4, you will see a dollar symbol available. So once you see this dollar symbol, it means this is an absolute reference and the cell is locked. So even if you move the formula from one cell to another, wherever this dollar is available, it won't be changed. So let's see, apply dollar symbol everywhere. Here I have only column reference, so I have only $1, but here I have column A and row 2. So that's why I'm seeing $2. One for the column, one for the row. And for the last one, F4. Okay, so will this solve your problem? Let's see. So I drag this formula everywhere. Will it help? No, it didn't help because 1, 2, 3, 4 should be moved when we go down. It shouldn't be 1, 2, 3, 4 always. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 6 here. It should keep on changing, but it's not changing. So we need a combination where my B1 should be constant, but A2 should be relative. So A2, wherever it's available, should be relative. So if I remove these dollars, will this help? It's helping. So it's working fine for everything. But if you go on the right side, it won't work now. Because my A2 reference moved to B2. So I should give a formula which should apply for all the cells. A single formula which should apply for everything. So that's why I have to use a formula like this. So column C, wherever you're giving a single column, you can just apply dollars. It's fine. Wherever you have like C and C, A and A, B and B, this should be fine. But the issue comes where you have cells and column reference. So here I want my A to be constant always, but 2, 3, 4 can change. If I am referring column row 2, it should refer row 2. If I am referring row 3, it should refer row 3. But wherever I'm going, it should always go with column A, which is my GL account. GL account is always in column A. So I am putting dollar only for GL. If you click on clicking F4, it will give the options. You want it only for the column, only for the rows, it will give the options. So just click F4 again and again. So this is how I want. And for here, row 1 should be constant always, but not the B. B should change to C when I'm referring column Feb month. It should change to D when I'm referring March month. So it should change, but row 1 should always be constant. So I will keep the dollar symbol for row 1, but I'll remove it for B. Okay. So now if I copy this formula and paste it across, it will work for everything. So this is the advantage of absolute and relative reference. You have to be very careful while giving the dollar symbol and where you are giving the dollar symbol. So hope this helps. Thank you.